हेलो एवरीवन। चलिए नई वीडियो से शुरुआत करते हैं। इस वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे कि व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट डेटा टाइप्स इन एसक्यूएल। सो सबसे पहले हम लोग देखेंगे कि डेफिनेशन क्या है डेटा टाइप्स की। डेटा टाइप्स आर यूज्ड टू डिटरमाइन व्हाट टाइप और व्हाट काइंड ऑफ डेटा विल बी स्टोर्ड इन अ पर्टिकुलर मेमोरी लोकेशन। ओके, नोट कर लीजिए ये। मैं फिर से रिपीट करती हूँ। डेटा टाइप आर यूज्ड टू डिटरमाइन what type or kind of data will be stored in a particular memory location. So there are 5 different data types in SQL. First is char, which means character. Second is varchar slash varchar2. I'll speak about it later. What is the difference between varchar and varchar2? 3 is number. Third is number. Fourth one is date. And fifth one is large object. It will fall apart in two different types. First is a character large object, which is clob. In bracket, you will write CLOB clob. And the second one is binary large object, which is BLOB blob. And most important, note कर लीजिए, SQL is not case sensitive. मतलब if you write in a small case or upper case is doesn't even matter. Okay, so we'll see. First start with char. What is char? So there are rules of the char data type. Char data type can accept characters such as capital A to Z, small a to z, and 0 to 9, or special characters such as hash, asterisk, dollar, etc. And yeah, one more thing. If we pass like A to Z, like small a to Z, uh, capital A to Z, or 0 to 9, or special character, whatever, computer will not understand this, right? But computer, what will get? That ASCII value. It's every character is associated with its ASCII values. ASCII values means what? American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay. So for example, if capital A has ASCII value of 65, capital Z has 90, small a has 97, small z has 122. You can google it, you will get the chart, but it's easy to remember. Like means if I have capital A of 65, then the alternate serially number wise it will go with the flow till z equals to 90. We have 26 words in we have 26 alphabets. Okay, and syntax will be char of size, like char of, in bracket, size. You have to mention the size. What is size? It is used to determine the number of character that we can store. It will determine the number of character. Whenever we mention char data type, we have to mention the size for it. It is mandatory. The maximum size we can store, it has like 2000. The maximum size that we can store is 2000, and it is a type of fixed length memory location. Means uh, fixed length memory location, we can elaborate. Like if I have mentioned the size of 1000 memory blocks, it will allocate the 1000 memory block, but I only use like 100 to 200 memory blocks. If the user is used only 100 to 200 memory blocks, then the remaining memory will be unused, and it will be wasted, like for no reason. Okay, so yeah, this is the drawback of char data type, that it has memory wastage. To overcome this, the SQL has second data type, which is varchar. This data type can accept characters such as capital A to Z, small a to z, 0 to 9, special characters such as hash, asterisk, dollar, etc. And the syntax of it is varchar of size. Size here is the same definition. Size, it is used to determine the number of character that we can store. Whenever we mention the varchar data type, we have to mention the size for it, and it also has maximum size 2000. It is a type of variable length memory allocation. There is no wastage of memory in varchar. Means as I have told earlier, that char data type has drawback of wastage of memory. But what happened in varchar data type is syntax will be varchar of size. If I have allocated 10 memory block and I have used only 7 memory block, 3 will get 3 blocks will be unused, right? Then that remaining blocks will get will be back to the database memory, and and it will be used after, like, free memory can be used whenever we need it, separated from the blocks, and it will get stored in database memory. Then the memory will get stored in database memory. Then after that, free memory can be used whenever we need it. It will get separated and stored in a database memory. Okay. Then the next is varchar 2, which means updated version of varchar. That is, size of updated version is 2000 to 4000. Okay, the max size we can store is 4000. If I write varchar, like in SQL, if I am writing a query and I have defined the varchar 3000, it will be automatically updated in varchar 2, like implicitly. Because, for example, if I have WhatsApp and I'm using it, right? But in the background, on Wi-Fi, my WhatsApp is updating. Still, I am able to use it. This is the same theory applied here by the SQL, which is, if I write varchar, it will be implicitly converted into varchar 2. Okay. So what will be the difference between the varchar and char? So char will be you can note it down. Okay. First, make a column of char and then varchar. Then the fixed length memory, which is char, when varchar is having variable length memory allocation. Drawback of char is wasted memory, and the varchar has free memory can be used. Max size is 2000 of char, max size is of 4000. The syntax for it, char of size, and syntax for varchar is varchar of size. Difference between the varchar and varchar 2: variable length memory allocation. Varchar 2 is the updated version of varchar. The max of size is 2000, max of size is 4000. Okay. The next data type is number. I'll give you multiple examples of this data type. You need to practice this once to understand it properly. In the next video, I'll give example, but for now, just listen what I'm saying. This data type is used to store the numerical value. It can accept two arguments. One is precision and another one is scale. Syntax of it is number in bracket precision comma scale. Okay. The max size of precision is 38, and the max size of scale is a 127. Note it down. Precision, definition of precision: it is used to determine the digit we are going to store in a numerical place. And the definition of scale, wait, I'll repeat it. The definition of precision: it is used to determine the digit we are going to store in a numerical place. The next one is scale. Definition of scale: it is used to determine the number of digit we are going to store in a decimal place within the precision. Okay. The fifth one and the last, not last, second last, is date. Date, syntax is simply date. The two Oracle specified formats are dd mon yy. Means, for example, we'll take one date, like dd is 23 hash August. August is going on, so aug comma dash hyphen 23, which is 2023. Next format is ddmon yy, means you have to write the year fully, like 4 digits. Date should be always enclosed within the single quote. This is the most important point, otherwise you will get error. Date should always be enclosed within single quotes. Okay. Then the next data type, which is large object. Large object is what basically the large type of data you will store in a database. It has two different type, like character large object and binary large object. Character large object is what this is used to store the character up to 4 GB of size, like 4 GB, which is massive. Okay, and next is binary large file. This is used to store binary number of images, videos, file, etc. Means this using this data type you can store file, photos, videos, images, etc. Syntax is simply blob, and clob syntax is simply clob. So yeah, this is all about the database data types in SQL. I'll give examples of number data type, which will be easy to understand and which will be helpful to understand the number data type. So yeah, and the next video will be contain, like will learn about constraint. What are the constraints? Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like this video. Thank you.